This is Expotools desoldering pump used to remove unwanted solder when mistakes occur. The tool works like a syringe, sucking unwanted solder clean away. Basic instructions are included on the packaging. The strong spring-loaded mechanism arms the device. Pressing the button provides suction to complete the job. The pump can be emptied by twisting the end anticlockwise. Maintenance is light, requiring only an occasional cylinder clean. The desoldering pump by Expotools has high suction power and is ideal for PC board repairs and modeling jobs alike.